Our today's discussion is about confidence interval. So, what is confidence interval? A confidence interval in statistics refers to the probability that a population parameter will fall between a set of values for a certain proportion of times. In simple language, we can say that confidence interval means कि whatever times if we will measure certain parameters of population, then these parameters or the values of these parameters will fall how many times in a particular range. So analysts often use confidence intervals that contains either 95% or 99% of expected observations. Thus, if a point estimate is generated from a statistical model of 10.00 with a 95% confidence interval of 9.50 to 10.50, it means we are 95% confident that true value will fall within that range. It means like 95% confidence interval means कि if we will measure parameter of population, specific parameter of population, then 95% times it will fall in that a particular range. Statisticians and other analysts use confidence intervals to understand the statistical significance of their estimations, inference, or predictions. If a confidence interval contains the value of 0, then one cannot satisfactorily claim that a certain result from data generated by testing or experimentation is to be attributable to a specific cause rather than a chance. So, the key takeaways are: a confidence interval displays the probability that parameter will fall between a pair of values around the mean. So, confidence interval means the values of parameters will fall in a specific range at certain times. Like in case of 95% confidence interval, it means 95% times the value of specific parameters will fall in a specific range. Confidence interval measures the degree of uncertainty or certainty in a sampling method. They are also used in hypothesis testing and regression analysis. Statisticians often use p-values in conjunction with confidence intervals to gauge statistical significance. They are most often constructed using confidence levels 95% और 99%. मेनली जो वैल्यूज यूज होते हैं दे आर 95% और 99%